in special assemblies. This year, we had the privilege of hosting special assemblies for parents of grade 3, 4 and 5. These intimate gatherings provided a unique platform for our students to showcase their exceptional talents. In these small group settings, our students confidently demonstrated their skills, sharing their passion and interest with their proud parents. These special assemblies not only encourage our students to step out of their comfort zones, but also strengthen their bond between parents, students and teachers. Expanding horizons, new club at CSK. We are thrilled to introduce 2 new clubs to our CSK family, Literacy Club and Dramatic Club. With the total of 8 clubs now, our students have even more opportunities to explore the passion and interest. Every Friday, we enthusiastically gather to participate in our respective clubs, learning valuable skills and gaining practical experience. Kudos to our students, faculty for driving this initiative and fostering